everyone, this is Dr. Ritika Gauba and I'm here once again to empower you with genuine, in-depth and well-researched knowledge. On the 23rd of August 2022, UGC released a notice titled Precautions to be taken by the students before enrolling in programs offered under Open Distance Learning, that is ODL, and or OL, that is online mode. In a video which we had released last week, we had told you about a major reform done by UGC where they had said that the degrees obtained through ODL and OL mode would be considered equivalent to the degrees obtained by the student through conventional mode. We had also told you in that video some of the precautions that the students need to take before getting themselves enrolled in these online and distance learning program, as not all the online and distance learning program are genuine and they would not be considered equivalent to your conventional programs, and therefore the degrees obtained would not be considered equal. In this particular video, we are going to dig deeper into these precautions. We have divided this video into three parts. In the first part, we are going to tell you step by step how you can check the genuineness of the ODL or the online program which you are going to pursue. In the second part, we are going to tell you the list of all the programs which have been prohibited by UGC to be offered as ODL or online programs. And in the third part, we are going to tell you about the eligibility qualification which are required to pursue these ODL and online programs. If you do want to learn in detail all the precautions for ODL and OL that you should take before enrolling, then keep watching this video. If you are watching this video and if you have watched our previous videos and you like the work which we are doing to empower you with genuine knowledge, then please do subscribe to our channel, like our videos and share them with your friends and colleagues. Okay, so let us start with the first part of this video. How would you check the genuineness of a program? So to check the genuineness of the program, you have to do two things. The first step is to check the university or the higher education site from where you plan to pursue the program. And the second is to verify that information from the University Grants Commission's Distance Education Bureau's website. Okay, so as I said, in step one, you would have to go to the institute's website. Since we are talking about degree courses, that means that this course will also be offered by some university or some higher education institute which is allowed by the government to grant a degree. So for a university to check whether it is genuine or not, you will go to the university's website and you will check whether that university has got the UGC approval or not. If it is UGC approved, then it can definitely give you a degree. From here, you will move on to checking the program, because it is quite possible that the university has a UGC approval, but the program which they are offering you as a distance learning or an online program is not approved by UGC. So not only the university, you will also go and check the program's detail and see if that program has been approved by UGC or not. In case the program is approved by any other statutory body but not by UGC, then in that case that program will only be called a diploma program and not a degree program, and therefore will not be considered equivalent to your conventional degree. Therefore, it is important that not only the university but even the program is approved by UGC. After checking these details about the program and the higher educational institution, you will definitely go and cross-verify all this information from the website of Distance Education Bureau. Now, obviously, this is a website by UGC which is dedicated to all the distance learning programs which are being offered in India. From this website, you can check three things. Firstly, whether that higher educational institution is actually UGC approved or not. there would be another list of entitlements where you can check whether that higher educational institution has been allowed to offer a distance education program, and if yes, which programs has it been allowed to grant as distance education program, because not all universities and higher education would be allowed by UGC to conduct distance learning program. In fact, on the same website, you will also have another section where you can find a list of the institutes which have been prohibited by UGC, by the Distance Education Bureau, to actually conduct distance education programs. So, after checking all those details on the Distance Education Bureau, and if your program does exist everywhere, you've cross-checked everything, then you are sure that your program is genuine and you can take admission in that program. From here, we move on to the second part of the video, where I'm going to share with you the names of those courses and programs which have been strictly prohibited by UGC to be offered as ODL or online courses. So, beginning with the first program is engineering. Second program which is prohibited by UGC is medical. At number 3 we have physiotherapy. At number 4 we have occupational therapy or paramedical disciplines. At number 5 we have pharmacy. At number 6 we have nursing. Number 7 we have dental. At number 8 we have architecture, followed by law at number 9. At number 10 we have agriculture, followed by horticulture at number 11. At number 12 we have hotel management, followed by catering technology at number 13. After that we have culinary sciences at number 14. At number 15 we have aircraft maintenance. At number 16 we have visual arts and sports. Besides this, UGC has said that if any statutory body prohibits, or any regulatory body prohibits, any other program to be given as an ODL and OL course, then that program also will not be offered. Accordingly, 2 courses which are aviation program and tourism and hospitality management courses are also prohibited from being offered both at UG and PG level as an ODL or OL course. Apart from this, 2 very important programs which are strictly prohibited to be offered as an online course or as a distance learning courses are PhD and MPhil. For any discipline by any institute, these 2 courses cannot be offered as an ODL or online courses. From here, we move on to our third part where coming to the last and the final part of this video, the eligibility criteria to pursue an OL or an ODL course. Since PhD and MPhil cannot be pursued in this mode, that means that ODL and OL course can only be given in as UG programs or as PG programs. So to pursue a UG program, you require a 10+2. That means you need to have qualified your class 12th. And to pursue a PG program, you need to have 10+2 plus your bachelor's. So these eligibility criteria qualification are very similar that you require for pursuing a regular or a conventional degree course. Besides this, in case you are staying within the country, then you can pursue both an ODL or an online course, because ODL courses can be pursued by any student staying within the country, whereas an online course can be pursued by anybody across the world. So that's it from me in this video. As they say, it is better to be safe than sorry. So in case you are planning to pursue an ODL or an online course, then definitely follow all the precautions that we've told you. Cross-check the genuineness of the program following the guidelines that we've given you. And I assure you, if you do follow our guidelines and thoroughly check the genuineness of the program and do it seriously, then in the end you are going to get a degree which will be equivalent to the degree which you would have got if you would have pursued that program in a normal, conventional, regular mode. So that's it from me today. I hope you did find this video informative. If you did, then please let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and share them with your friends. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is Dr. Ritika Gauba, and I would be here next week once again with another topic to empower you with genuine, in-depth and well-researched knowledge.